During the past decade, we in Creative Real have served the 3D printing industry with core technology, including white-labeled slicer software. We believe that everyone should have access to professional-level print results. Getting your 3D print to the first 90% is not hard, but getting the last 10% out of your 3D printing process is where professional-level 3D printing software really makes a difference. That is why we've decided to share REALvision Pro with you. After 10 years of user-driven development, it contains an extensive set of features for the demanding user who likes an intuitive user interface. With the smart limits in REALvision Pro, you always stay within safe settings, which simply make your 3D printer better. Our service program has both basic, professional, and enterprise levels. We promise to hold your hand and set you free. Let me show you a few features. Here you can see REALvision with a loaded model. You can see which parts of the model will get automatic support. Next, you can customize the starting point with a pen and eraser like this. Let's look at the final result. Now join me in the settings menu. The slicer guides and educates the users with tooltips and illustrations. I also want to show you our lattice structures. There are a lot of them, and each optimizes the print for different properties. For example, 3D Isomax optimizes for stiffness. It looks like this when you peek inside the model. For you expert users, there are many possibilities for optimizing the profile with a large set of settings. But most of us just want to keep it simple. For you, we've made fine-tuned preset profiles. Just press prepare and produce. As you can see, the software is quite intuitive. Let's get started.